you are at the right place for the right learning, because you are going to learn how the large calculations involved in finding the cube root of a number can be reduced to no calculations, absolutely no calculations at all, and that too finding the solution in 2 to 3 seconds. Do stay tuned, because I'm sure by the end of the video you will also say why we were not taught this in school.
In this video, we will learn how to find a cube root of a number. Now, I want you to compare the conventional method of finding the cube root of a number that we are taking in this video are the perfect cubes, and the Vedic mathematics for finding the cube root of the number. Just compare. When we use this conventional method, it is going to be this long. We have used the prime factorization method for finding out the cube root of this number. Prime factorization method, and we have found out the cube root as this 84 is the cube root. All right, and this Vedic mathematics also, we have got 84 as the cube root of this number, and believe me, I have not missed any step. We can find out the cube root of a perfect cube just by observation. Just by observation. We don't need calculations at all. So let's learn how to find it. To find out the cube root of a number which is having less than 7 digits. And we can use this method for finding the cube roots of the perfect cubes only. So let's see this table. Just try to observe this table, the numbers and their cubes. Now just see, 1 cube is equal to 1. 2 cube is equal to 8, and just observe the unit digits of all the other cubes, like 3 cube has 7 at the units place, 4 cube has 4 at the units place, 5 has 5 at the units place. That means you will be observing that 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0, they repeat themselves in the cube endings. In their cube endings, they are repeating themselves only. But it's not the same with 2, 3, 7 and 8. They are actually having an interplay. Like 2 cube has 8 at its units place and vice versa. That is 8 cube has 2 at its units place. And 3 cube has 7 at its units place, and 7 cube has 3 at its units place. So with this knowledge, let us start calculating the cube root of a number, and this method is known as Vilokanam. In Vedic mathematics, Vilokanam means just by observation. First of all, we will make the group of 3 from the extreme right. This will be one group, and we are left with only 2 digits in the other group. Now, because we are having 2 groups of, that means the cube root of this number will have only 2 digits. That is the units digit and the tens digit. Now, how to find the unit digits of its cube root? Just first observe the extreme right group, and this group has 6 at its units place. So just observe, 6 cube has 6 at its units place. That means the cube root of a number ending with 6 will also have 6 at the units place. So we have found out the units place of its cube root. Now to find the digit at the tens place of this number, the cube root of this number, we will see this group. This is 97, and try to observe the cube of which number is just smaller than 97 or equal to 97. Now, when we see 97 lies between 64 and 125, 64 and 125. That means 97 is between 64 and 125. So it is, we will choose 4. The 64 is 4 cube and the cube root of 64 is 4. So the unit at the tens place is 4. So the cube root of this number is 46. I hope you have understood. To find the cube root of this number, we have 9,41,192. First step is forming the group of 3. Here we have formed the group of 3 numbers in one group. So 192 forms a first group and 941 forms the second group. Here also we have 2 groups. That means the cube root of this number will have 2 digits. Now observe the unit digit. The unit digit, we have 2 over here, and observe that 8 cube has 2 at its units place. That means the cube root of this number will have 8 at its units place. So we have got the units place number. Now observe 941. 941 lies between 9 cube and 10 cube. We will choose the smaller one, that is 9 cube, which is 729, and the cube root of 729 is 9. So the tens digit is 9. And cube root of 9,41,192 is 98. Look how simple it is. Now I want you to pause the video and try this sum. Now look at this number. We will first make the group of 3 digits from the extreme right. We get one group and we get the other group. Now observe the number at its units place. We have 1 at its units place. And which cube has 1 at its units place? 1 cube will be having 1 at its units place. So that means the number we get at the units place is 1. Now 531 lies between 8 cube and 9 cube. We will choose the smaller one, which is 8 cube, that is 512. So the cube root of this is 8. So we have 8 at the tens place. 81 is the cube root of this number. Look how easy it is. I really want Vedic maths to find its proper place in school system. Anyway, thanks for watching till the end. Bye-bye till we meet again.